welcome to Susanna's How To. Today I will teach you, I will take some fruit and put some salt on it. It will be sweeter. Now I'll tell you what we need. We need a banana, apple, and salt, and some white chocolate and pomelo. We take a banana and eat it. And then we take another banana and put some salt on it. And eat it. Don't put salt banana we eat is yummy. And now let's try the apple. We first bite a half apple. And then take the other one and put a little salt on it. And so look at the banana the same, don't put salt when it's yummier. And let's try the pomelo. We take the little piece and eat that. And then put some salt on it. The same. It's the same too in there. And put some salt on it. They put salt in it yummy a little bit. Some China people like to do this. I tried only the black chocolate is yummier. Thank you for watching Susanna's How To. Please hit a thumbs up.